Hello. So firstly we discuss about the Bytello class. So Bytello class is an interactive software solution which provides lots of interactive tools for lesson preparation and teaching. So you can see how can you go to Bytello class. So firstly on a Google you need to just type www.bytello.com. Okay, when you click, so you will get this page. On this page you need to just click on Bytello class. When you click on Bytello class, you have to again click on experience now. So the home page will be open on of Bytello class. So this is your user ID. Okay, you will get a 1 GB of storage. Here you can just create any lecture slides, new folders. You can import any PDF, PPT files from your existing storage. So firstly we will see that how can we create a new slides. So let's suppose that you have clicked on this new slides page. So this is your new slide page. So here you can just prepare your lessons, okay, for teaching. So this is a text. So it will same as a PPT kind of thing. So you can create any slides. Let's suppose we are talking about any topic, like let's see tenses, okay, in English grammar. So this tenses, okay, you can just you can, so like here I am mentioning tenses and the type of tenses. So you can create your data. There's a different kind of formats, okay, fonts that you can create like this. You can undo, you can set any font. Currently it's an Arial. Font size you can just adjust. You can arrange the orders, okay. You can create animations that fade in, fade out. These all animations you can create, okay. And you can insert a multiple shapes like this. So you can adjust the thickness of this borders, okay, like this. You can change the color of this particular box. You can masking, you can undo the all commands. Same as you can create a new page, okay. A part of this shapes you can insert any image in your existing document. Let's suppose I am going to the picture cells. So here I can insert any picture, okay. You can crop it, you can change the that border types, border grids also. And you can insert any online video. You can insert documents from your Google Drive ID, OneDrive ID, or you can insert tables also. Like currently I am inserting 2 by 2 table. So you can just move it. You can mentioning anything. You can change the size of the cells like this. So you can insert a tables. You can insert any mind map in this. Let's suppose like this. You can insert any cell graph like this, okay. So you can create some flow charts, your classifications of something. You can do that. You can add lots of pages. There is no limitation to add pages here. You can create any activities also. Let's suppose you have to create any group competition activities. Let's there are two children's between them you need to prepare, you need to create some interactive session activities. So you can create that, like I am just creating a group competition activities. So question is, let's suppose, what is the question? So like, what is the currency of India? Okay, so the correct answer is this rupee. Okay, and incorrect answer is, let's suppose, dollar. And you can set the difficulty level, that's easy, medium and hard. When you select hard option, so the students the time for students to give the correct answer is 9 seconds. When you click on easy, so students will get 14 seconds to answer the particular question. So currently I am just setting the easy difficulty level, so it's done. So our activity is created. Okay, now there is a page of a display page. So when you click on display, so like, what is the currency of India? So this is start. So you can just see there's a first student, there's a second option. So this first student click on the rupee. Okay, now the time ends. So you can see the first student gave the correct answer of 1. Okay, and the second student doesn't give any answer, so his marks is 0, and the first one students got 10 marks, 10 points, so he's win. Okay, so these type of activities that you can create it. Now if you can just end the display mode. So these are the slides. So you can create a multiple of slides like this. Activities we have discussed. Subjects, so it has a lots of subjects tools. So common formulas, that it has some softwares for common formulas. So you will get the fraction formulas, so that you can mention or insert. You can edit the particular formulas. You can change the colors like this, it's red color. You can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so you can just mention lots of colors and lots of formulas it has. You can just type any formulas, like let's suppose A square plus, like you can see here is a recommendation, like I am just typing. So it has a plus b ka whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can put it so like this, it's the side. So likewise you can just, these are the some tools that enhancing your teaching capability, that it can be easy to create lessons for the students. So it has a lots of subjects tools, like it has some geometry shapes, so like this. Okay, and you can adjust this particular shapes. It's a lot of shapes that you have like this. So it is showing the radius also, you can just see like this. Okay, and it has periodic table, it has number charts also, like simple number line. I want to start this line from 0 to 15. Okay, and unit is I want to 3. So this line you can just change the color also, this particular line, and you can insert this. So you can see this line is created with the intervals of 3 numbers. Okay, you can just see that. So it has a lots of tools which help you to in preparation of the teaching material. So like it has a functions graphs also. So you can just draw any linear polynomial expressions. So y equals to x plus 1, currently it is in y equals to x plus 1. You can change this y equals to x plus 5 and you can insert this graph. So you can see the graph is in the particular slides. You can just zoom in, zoom out of this, like in this way. You can zoom in, zoom out in this way. Okay, so likewise you can create the multiple of graphs. So this function has linear equations, quadratic equations it has. So y equals to x square. Okay, it's if let's suppose you put y equals to minus x square. So likewise yes. So now I am just sharing with you the another feature of this Bytello class. So let's suppose here the teachers want to ask any question from the students. Let's suppose the question is that please share give the sum of below numbers. Okay, so teachers want to ask 20 plus 13 is equals to what? Okay, and now teachers can you need to just click on display. Okay, and you can interact, you can share this particular, you need to just click on interaction. Okay, and this code is appear. So the students have to answer of this particular question. So students need to visit on study.bytello.com. Let's suppose I am a student, so I need to put on Google study.bytello.com. okay, so this is a student's ID. So you can see this this code I need to just put on my phone. So code is 906980. So you can see it shows waiting for the teachers to send the courseware. So now teachers need to send this particular slide. So it's come like up now. This particular lecture slide will appear on the student portal. So here you can see it's mentioned that please give the sum of below numbers. So what is the sum of below numbers? So 20 plus 13 is 33. So teachers need to give the, so students need to give the answer. So students shared that 33. So student need to submit the answer. So by clicking on submit, you can see this submitted slide will come on this particular page. So now teachers will get the answer about their question. So here is 33. So teachers can check that it is right or wrong or something that. Okay. So this is the both way interactive kind of session. You can just end the display. So here you can just create slides, some interactive lessons through this wonderful tools and features. So we really want that you please use this Bytello software for better teaching classes, for creating a wonderful slides for the students. Okay, and we would really forward to receive your feedback on this Bytello class feature. Please share your opinions with us, that what are the things you really liked in Bytello class software, or what are the things that you really feel that we need to just add in this Bytello class software. Okay, we will really forward to your feedback. Thank you. And if you need any assistance or if you have any query, so please feel free to contact me. I am just waiting for your feedbacks on this particular video, Bytello class software. Thank you.